3 Effective Reasons to Partner with Offshore Outsourcing Service for Web Development. Owing to the increased adaptation of digital technology, it's a need for businesses to go digital. With new technological trends constantly taking over, the web development frontier has exciting prospects. As a business owner, you have the option of in-house development or partner with offshore outsourcing services for your web development project. Outsourcing digital product development helps businesses benefit from the experience and expertise of development companies. It's a process where you hire a third-party web design agency to get the task done within the stipulated time and minimum cost when compared to hiring an in-house development team, which is time-consuming and expensive. Before we talk about how you can make offshore outsourcing service work, it's important to discuss why this type of outsourcing is effective. Outsourcing serves as a great way to adapt to changing needs or bring in additional expertise. It expands the talent pool that your company can access while reducing the total cost to complete a development project. Let us share some of the benefits of offshore outsourcing services to offshore companies than building an in-house team. Cost savings. The most apparent benefit of offshore outsourcing service is cost savings. When you outsource your project to an external vendor, you pay only for the services you need while getting access to the expertise and resources of a full-fledged development team. Save time. Time efficiency is a significant benefit of such services in addition to technical expertise, project completion within stipulated deadlines without any delays or complications, flexible working hours, etc. The service provider can work around your schedule so that you never miss out on any critical deadlines associated with your project completion requirements. Hire talented and dedicated developers. Usually, outsourcing companies work on a large scale and handle many projects at once. As one project is completed, the next project is ready to work on. These companies hire highly skilled developers and designers to meet clients' demands. Therefore, if you use offshore outsourcing service, you can be assured about the delivery of high-end results in a short time. Are you searching for an offshore outsourcing services option to outsource your web project? Look no further than Squares, a proven and trusted partner to many successful businesses for web development. Contact us today for a thorough discussion. Contact information. Address 412 and 413, Chohan Park View, Bilai, Chhattisgarh 490020. Contact number 9165 999 333. Email hello@squares.tech. Website https://squares.tech/